Wala bang nanligaw sa bahay?
Stress.
Sa bahay
I
ninyo?
know. My
Wala kang
daughter
kalabti.
will continue.
I can't imagine.
Daddy pa rin naman. Pwede naman. Hindi pa. Pero pag may nanliligaw.
No pa rin.
Daddy George, nono muna sa pagbo-boyfriend ni Caprice. Grabe ang naging usap-unapan ngayon sa social media matapos ang naging revelasyon at kulitan ni Caprice at ang kilalang celebrity doctor na si Doc Ivy. Isang mainit na topic ang napag-usapan nila. Ang love life ni Caprice na tila binabantayan ng kanyang daddy na si Daddy George. Sa gitna ng kanilang usapan, hindi napigilan ni Doc Ivy na tanungin ang dalaga kung mayroon na nga bang nagpapatibok ng puso nito o kung may mga nagnanais na bang manligaw sa kanya. Mabilis at diretsahang sagot ni Caprice, wala pa. Pero hindi diyan nagtapos ang usapan dahil hiningi rin ni Doc Ivy ang panig ng ama ni Caprice na si Daddy George. Tinanong ang daddy nito kung wala pa ba talaga o bawal pa ba sa ngayon. Agad na napareact ang ama at tila walang pag-aalinlangan na sinabing, wala pa at bawal pa talaga. Mukhang kailangan munang dumaan sa butas ng karayom ang sinumang susubok na ligawan si Caprice. Hindi pa nakontento si Doc Ivy at sinubukang i-push ang tanong, paano kung may manligaw na, papayag ba ang daddy? Ang naging sagot ni Daddy George. Isang matindihing, no, pa rin daw. Mukhang focus muna si Caprice sa kanyang career at personal growth bago ang usaping pag-ibig. Agree ba kayo sa pagiging strict ni Daddy George? Sino kaya ang lucky guy na maglalakas loob sa tamang panahon?
Yes po. Talaga? Lahat nila mommy and daddy. Yes po. 2024 po.
Hello there. All patients is birthdays po.
All of them. How does it feel to be done now with BBB? I am with PBB.
Very happy po. And overwhelming. Kasi nakita ko po lagi po may nakakakilala sa akin. So, mas maraming friend.
Talaga? Oh, wow. Did you expect to win or?
Po.
As in you were surprised? You guys were all surprised? As in no idea?
No idea.
Oh, wow. Overwhelming.
Overwhelming. Hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na ako yung big winner. Kasi akala ko po talaga parang maalis agad ako.
So when you came in, so what expectations
I
whatsoever?
had no expectations po talaga. No pressure din po. Yeah, very
Very pretty. Sabi nila parang little heart.
Ah.
Diba? I know. Nakalabas ka ba? Are you able to go out?
Yes po, tinatry ko pa rin po kasi nami-miss ko po talaga mag-mall. Kaya happy po ako na nakapag-visit
Was it hard
po
to
ako
come up
dito.
here?
Ay,
No naman.
Hindi
That's
naman.
okay.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. It's so nice. They've been coming since 2022? 2024. So, 2 years now. Congratulations. You guys must be so proud.
Okay.
Yeah, must be so proud. And we're happy na at least we finally get to see you. And we just want to congratulate you also personally. How do you think you won? Wow, what's your...
Oh, siguro po kasi nababalik ko lang din po yung love na binibigay nila sa akin. So, I think na-appreciate po nila yun.
Yeah.
Siyempre po binibigay ko yung best ko sa mga taas.
For a 17-year-old, it's a lot of pressure, right? Especially, ang PBB. But it's, PBB is so big now, right? Because before your batch, it was the batch of sila Mika, right?
Mika Brent.
Brent, yeah, Mika Brent,
Just Bia.
Justin and just Bia. But Bianca has been my patient since she was like 12 or 13. So I knew her, for many years. And then Mika also comes to IB even before that. Yeah. May naniligaw na ba sa'yo?
Wala po.
Wala bang nanligaw sa bahay?
Stress.
Sa bahay
I
ninyo?
know. My
Wala kang
daughter will
kalabti.
continue.
I can't imagine.
Daddy pa rin naman. Pwede
No
naman, hindi pa. Pero pag may nanliligaw,
No pa rin.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.